You know, the worst time to cut corners is in the very beginning of the project. The way to save money on a project is to not cut corners in the beginning, take the time to get the proper information, do your due diligence, make your acquisitions, then through the design process with the right piece of property is how you really save the money. Because where your money is really eating you alive is when you're in construction. While we're drawing and working on computers and working with paper, much less expensive than building walls and tearing them down and shifting and moving windows and ordering and buying the wrong thing and sending it back, and construction delay. A delay is a loss in construction. Once you get to construction, you want to have a very firm plan, and you just want to proceed as rapidly and as logically as you possibly can. Have a good plan and follow